Yo, yo.
Okay, so the sun shadows. Have you ever noticed how shadows change during the day? Sometimes they are long. At other times, they are very short. Shadows change as the position of the sun changes. At midday, the sun is high overhead. The angle at which sunlight strikes Earth is greater than in the morning or evening. The sun's light is more direct and shadows are very short. At sunrise and sunset, the angle at which sunlight strikes Earth is smaller. The sun's light is less direct and shadows are very long.
So, if the sun is here, well, if it's 12 o'clock, that means the shadow will be here.
If it's what?
If it's 12 o'clock, will the shadow be here?
So if the sun is up, yeah,
Like 12 o'clock.
Right, more than likely it's just going to be, kind of straight. If the sun is coming from my right side, your shadow is going to be on the opposite side.
Okay, so if the sun is here, then my shadow will be here. If the sun is here, then my shadow will be here.
Right. Kind of like that. Okay, so go ahead and read, please.
The sun and shadows. Have you ever noticed how shadows change during the day? Sometimes they are long. At other times, they are very short. Shadows change in position of the sun. Shadow change as the position of the sun change. At midday, the sun is high overhead. The angle at which sunlight strikes Earth is greater than in the morning or evening. The sun's light is more direct and shadows are very short. At sunrise and sunset, the angle which sunlight strikes Earth is smaller. The sunlight is less direct and shadows are very long.
Okay. So how does the sun's position in the sky seem to change during the day? Okay, so tell me when the sun rises, where are you going to find the sun? In what direction?
I don't know when the sun rises.
Well, we just saw the picture, right? East, west, north, south.
I said I don't know when the sun rises.
Okay, well, I'm asking this question. Do you know the answer?
How does the sun? So like this, to west and all the way to east.
Okay, so let's go back.
Am I wrong?
Okay, so during the sunrise, it goes from the east, right? So it starts from the east, and then midday stays in the middle, and then during the sunset, it goes down to the west.
What you said is a we.
Right, but remember, you have to know where you're standing. It is we, right? But it doesn't mean that the sun is going to come up from the west and the east. It's just a way to remember. Like, it's what I was telling you, but you said that that's not what you wanted to know. When it depends where you're turning, the west is always going to be on your left side. So if you were looking at this picture, you would be turning this way, right? You would be turning back, and the west would be on this side, and the east would be on your right side. So the sun would be coming out on the right side and going down on the west.
So you'll be like this.
Yeah, you would kind of be.
The left side. So this is east.
Right.
East, so this is the left.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that right. That's a good.
Okay. So if you wanted to avoid direct sunlight, when should you stay indoors? Explain. Okay, so here we read about when the sunlight is more direct, right?
What is direct?
That's a good question. So direct is when the sun is more, it's a little bit closer, or you can feel the heat a little bit stronger.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so during what time during the day is the sunlight more direct?
12 o'clock?
Right. So midday, right?